everyone. Hello. Happy day today. How are you guys doing? So you're welcome back on my channel. I hope you guys are doing well out there. It's summertime. It's time to have fun. It's time to take in some sun, to breathe in some new air, guys. So it's all about summer, and I'm so happy. This is the best season for me. Like, really, I can just dress down and not wear those lots of pools and all of that. So it's summer, and I'm so excited to bring you guys a new content. So guys, don't go anywhere. Stay right there and I will be back. So I'm back now, guys. So today, let's discuss something first. As you guys know, I live in France, and so many of my content are based in France, while some are based outside France. Like I said, I love to travel a lot, but most of my content are here. And today, so this is the 14 Juillet, that is 14th of July. It's the day that is called the Bastille Day in France, La Fete Nationale. Okay, so this day is actually one of the revolutionary days in Paris, in France, and it is now a national holiday. It's a day that we take a break from whatever we're doing, and it is celebrated with a mixture of solemn military parades and easygoing dancing and fireworks. You can understand what I'm saying? You can just imagine what I'm going to be showing you guys. The military parades, the other parades, the cultural parades that I'm going to be showing you guys. It's just okay. So guys, there are lot of things to show you guys. The French people, they take this day like a day that, I don't know, it's ever since I've been in France, 14 Juillet has always been the most celebrated day in France. You understand? So it's an historical day for them, so I'm going to be showing you some of the highlights of the day: the dance, the fireworks, the parades. I love parades. I love bands. I don't know why I cannot go and join bands, so that means I'll wear those costumes and I'll be dancing. I love it. It gives me
maintenant, nous allons demander aux grognards polonais de revenir faire leur obède pendant 15 minutes. Donc c'est quand vous voulez. Je leur demanderai de rester derrière l'allée ciment pour qu'ils puissent faire leur démonstration devant vous.